So we have a undermount sink and the sill fell, so the sink is falling. So I'm gonna add a support, clean up the sill, add a new one. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the garbage disposal, remove this piping so I can get everything out of the way. So now that everything is disconnected, I'm gonna run some string from here and I'm gonna bring it to the other side just so I can support it from the top. I don't want to support it from the bottom because it's already weak and don't want anything to do to make it weaker. Ran it through and I'm gonna tie this 2x4 underneath everything and then I'm gonna tie it. So this was the type of cleat that they had holding it up. That's not gonna cut it. Look at that, look how loose that is. So right now, using a scraper to get off all this excess silicone off so I can put a new bead of silicone around it. Got enough. I should have got a bigger tube. Don't know why I didn't. I'm using the DeWalt. I forgot what these are, but they like lift clamps. Let me show you. So I have the 2x4 with the string holding it up, right? So it's keeping that tension at the undermount. So all that glue, all that caulk is gonna hold it and dry. And then while that's setting, I'm about to put the undermount bracket on it. I'm gonna show y'all what the undermount bracket is now. So here's a little quick demo of the undermount bracket. This mounts to the walls on the side of the sink and under the cabinet. And then this is gonna sit on top. They have these adjustment screws that go in here where I'm able to lift this up to apply pressure to the top. So it gives it that upward pressure on the undermount sink. Get what I mean? If not, I'm gonna show you. Couldn't record much because of the tight space, but I got the brackets mounted right there. Bar on, it's pressed up tight against the bigger bowl, not the smaller bowl, which is still okay because it's still centered, but I got the bar on. Now it's time to to lock it in. And we lock it in with these bolts right there, or these little finger twists. Right? So now it's not gonna go left and right anymore. And now I gotta get the other bolts out first. Right? And then we're gonna add the washer. Then we're gonna add the lock washer. Gonna make it go down some, so when we screw, we're gonna put it on. So what the Allen wrench is gonna do is gonna tighten it. And while it's tightening, it's gonna push it up. So I'll give it that nice snug. So I have the supports installed. Here's the second one. Both sides looking good. Supports are in. The string is still there because I wanted to apply that upward pressure till that caulk dry. I'll let it sit on for about another 4 to 5 hours. So the caulk will dry, and then I'll take this off and put the garbage disposal back and all the plumbing. But it looks good. See, the brace is holding the sink up, going across, and everything looks good up here. So it's holding it up.